look at what we have here. 1977 Bremen Minimark. FYI, this vehicle is titled as a 1977 assembled coupe. Now, if you haven't seen one of these before, that's not surprising. There wasn't a lot of these that were made. It's actually built by Bremen Motorsport Company in Indiana. They were primarily built on a Volkswagen Beetle chassis, and they were advertised as a factory-built conversion. So theoretically, these weren't a kit car that were assembled by the general public or sold that way and then assembled at home. They were actually assembled in a, I don't know if I'd say factory, but let's say a warehouse, along with a few other models that Bremen made. So almost, maybe a coach builder is what you could say they were. I guess there are arguments out there. They're very close to a kit car, but they were made in Indiana under a roof there, had an assembly line, and again, built on the Volkswagen Beetle chassis. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course, you could call us 507-386-1726. Of course, a rear-mounted engine, since it's on the VW Beetle platform. Dual side-mounted spares, as you can see. This particular one does have newer tires on it. Kind of wine or mahogany interior, I guess, if you will. Bucket seats. Of course, manual transmission. Now, this top, it's actually set up. It's hinged in the back on this one. So to make it easier to get in and out, you could actually push the front up here by the windshield and lift it up to be able to get in and out easier. But if that hinge was removed, the whole top would come off, FYI. But that's the way it is set up now. 1600 cc VW engine, by the way. 4-speed manual transmission. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Bremen insignia right here. It was made in Indiana. Focus in on it. There you go. The Minimark model. Of course, glass. All right, let me slip in this or kind of lean down beside it. Let you get a little better look at the interior. Quite a bit of leg room because, as you can see, it goes up underneath the cowl, and with the engine in the rear, you have some open space up there. Toggle switch right here is for the blinkers, FYI. There's a button on the right side of the steering column that's for the horn. All right, let me see if I can start this up, holding the camera and everything. Make sure we're neutral. This is that horn button I was talking about. They kind of hooked up a Garmin in here, as you can see also. Fuel gauge, amp meter. Around to the rear so you can hear it run here. That was a cold start, so we're going to have a high idle so it will warm up. I'm going to pause this and we'll open this rear engine compartment. Please let you take a peek at that too. One thing I forgot to mention, just want to let you know, it does have the side curtain, for the side windows, if you will. And then there is a steering column mounted blinker switch. Right now it's running off those toggles. So those will be included also. Again, let me pause this a second and I'll open that engine compartment. We'll check out the actual engine bay itself. Alright, let it warm up there a little bit. We came off that high idle. Idle's down a little bit. There you can see the engine bay. Again, built on the Volkswagen Beetle platform.
Here we have a 1977 Bremen Mini-Mark. It's on a Volkswagen chassis. Due to wind noise, I'm probably not going to get too much speed. The amp gauge works, the fuel gauge is reading, speedometer works. And the left and right blinker, there is no indicator for that blinker. Right here. Horn works. We even have wipers that work. It's a 4-speed. I'm over 6 foot and I can drive it, as you can see. It's a little tricky finding the gears between first and third. A little more driving than I'll ever know. It's a fun little mobile. Rear engine Volkswagen engine. Does go straight down the road, brakes straight.
1977 Bremen Mini-Mark, believed to be around 300 to 400 of them built. When you kind of read about the history of them and start getting some word-of-mouth stories from employees that had worked there, and they think there anywhere could 200 to 300 of these left. So not a lot of them out there. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.